Every day I'm looking for new products to sell, so here's my top winning products of the week. That is guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of e-commerce. Our next product is the electric garlic grinder. The electric garlic grinder is a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking process. It saves you valuable time and effort in the kitchen by effortlessly transforming whole garlic cloves into a fine paste within seconds. With adjustable settings for speed and paste thickness, it caters to individual preferences. Cleaning is a breeze, either by rinsing it under water or using the dishwasher. This versatile gadget is ideal for making various culinary delights such as sauces, dips, marinades, dressings, and more. It can also grind other ingredients like ginger, nuts, herbs, and cheese. The electric garlic grinder is an essential tool for garlic enthusiasts and home cooks seeking convenience and efficiency. Targeted audience for running ads includes home cooks, busy professionals, garlic lovers, and anyone seeking to simplify their cooking routine. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 3.2K likes, 260 comments, 342 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for electric garlic grinder, is just under $15.99, whereas the product cost is only $2.03. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the digital camera for kids. Selling the digital camera for kids is a great idea because it offers several compelling benefits. Firstly, it boasts high-quality imaging capabilities with a 1080p IPS screen and 3.0 megapixels, ensuring kids capture clear and vivid photos and videos. The camera is multifunctional, allowing children to explore their creativity with photo capture, video recording, and various scene and effect options. Its compact size and included hand strap make it perfect for kids, providing ease of use and portability. Additionally, the camera is eco-friendly and durable, featuring a protective shock-proof silicone shell made from non-toxic materials. The targeted audience for running ads includes parents and guardians looking for a safe and entertaining tech gadget for their children, as well as gift shoppers seeking a unique and educational present for kids. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 118 likes, 4 comments, 9 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for self-defense jet flame pen, is just under $79.99, whereas the product cost is only $3.92. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Antifog UV Protection Swimming Glasses with Earplugs. Our kids' Antifog UV Protection Swimming Glasses with Earplugs offer a compelling solution for parents and guardians looking to enhance their children's swimming experience. These glasses ensure crystal clear vision underwater with anti-fog lenses and protect delicate eyes from harmful UV rays, making outdoor swimming safer. The bonus earplugs keep water out of ears, and the adjustable strap and soft silicone frame ensure a secure and comfortable fit for various face shapes. The targeted audience for running ads includes parents, guardians, and caregivers of children who love swimming, seeking comfort, clarity, and eye protection for their little ones during aquatic adventures. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1.7K likes, 93 comments, 217 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Antifog UV Protection Swimming Glasses with Earplugs, is just under $19.98, whereas the product cost is only $4.30. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Creative Pull-Out Car Key Case. Selling the Creative Pull-Out Car Key Case is a smart choice for anyone seeking a stylish and practical solution for organizing and protecting their keys. This product boasts a creative pull-out key sleeve that is both cute and functional, making it easy to carry keys without fear of scratching other items, like your phone. Crafted from premium leather, it develops a unique character over time while maintaining a soft and scratch-resistant surface. It's compatible with most car key fobs and keyless entry systems, adding convenience and security. The targeted audience for running ads includes individuals who value style, organization, and protection for their keys, making it ideal for both fashion-conscious and practical-minded consumers. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 5.2K likes, 686 comments, 414 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Creative Pull-Out Car Key Case is just under $9.77, whereas the product cost is only $0.99. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Multifunctional Retractable Bottle Opener. Selling the multifunctional retractable bottle opener is a wise choice due to its versatility and convenience. This product offers a telescopic design that adapts to various lid sizes, ensuring it can open cans, bottles, and containers of different sizes with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for users of all strengths, including those with less hand power. Made of durable stainless steel and nylon, it guarantees long-lasting performance and is resistant to rust and breakage. The magnetic feature allows it to be conveniently attached to metal surfaces, making it accessible when needed. The targeted audience for running ads includes anyone who values convenience, durability, and ease of use in their kitchen or during outdoor activities like camping and traveling. It's suitable for a wide range of users, from busy homemakers to outdoor enthusiasts. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1.3K likes, 46 comments, 159 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Multifunctional Retractable Bottle Opener, is just under $17.98, whereas the product cost is only $3.91. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.